Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we deep dive into standout gadgets and accessories. In today's video, we're looking at the best Fitbit Charge 5 charger dock on the market. The Cavn charging stand dock replacement, also compatible with the Fitbit Charge 6 and the Luxe smartwatches. Let's kick things off with design. Straight out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek aluminum build. Unlike cheaper plastic alternatives, this dock features a premium aluminum alloy base that not only feels solid but looks modern and minimal. It's built to sit stylishly on your nightstand or desk and adds a touch of sophistication to your charging setup. Now moving on to compatibility. This dock is purpose-built for three specific models: the Fitbit Charge 6, the Charge 5, and the Luxe. It won't work with other Fitbit models, so be sure to check your device before purchasing. The package includes a 4.2-foot USB cable, giving you enough length to reach your USB power source without cluttering your space. Charging performance is one of the most important aspects of any dock, and Cavn has nailed it here. Inside, it features a built-in PCB that's gone through extensive testing. The result is a safe and stable charging experience. Your Fitbit is protected from overvoltage and overcurrent, which helps prolong the life of your device. The strong magnetic charging port ensures that your watch snaps into place easily and stays put throughout the charging session. One standout feature is the 45-degree viewing angle. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about function. Whether your watch is charging on your desk at work or on your bedside table, you can easily read messages, see notifications, or check the time without picking it up or squinting from across the room. Another thoughtful touch is that it works even if your Fitbit has a case on. You don't need to take your watch out of its protective case every time you charge. This saves time and reduces wear and tear on your accessories. Durability is another strong point. Thanks to the aluminum material and sturdy construction, this dock will last much longer than many plastic chargers. It also makes it a great option for travel, as it can withstand a bit more handling in a backpack or luggage without worry. The setup is as simple as plug and play. Just connect the USB end to any power source, a wall adapter, a laptop, even a power bank, and place your Fitbit on the magnetic charging pad. That's it, you'll be charging in seconds with no extra steps. To wrap up, the Cavn charging stand dock isn't just a charger. It's a thoughtfully designed accessory that enhances the Fitbit experience. It's functional, fast, safe, and stylish. Whether you're using a Charge 5, Charge 6, or Luxe, this dock gives you everything you need in a smartwatch charger, and then some. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product critiques just like this one. See you in the next video.